Now we're going to start trigonometry. It's a new concept probably for most of you, but it's not as difficult as what you might think. I'm going to try to make it simple, and the very first thing you need to learn to do is to identify the sides of a triangle. First you got to identify which corner is the 90-degree angle, because the basic trigonometry that we're going to be doing you only do with a right-angled triangle. And we can see here that this corner here is the right-angled triangle, or right-angled corner. And so that allows us to be able to identify the hypotenuse, which is opposite to the right angle, and we're going to call that H. Whenever you're going to do trigonometry, there's always one of these other corners that you're going to be using. Either you're trying to find it, or you're given it, and you know you're given that it's 23 degrees or whatever it is. In this case, we can see that it's labeled with this line, with this curve right here. That identifies that we're talking about that angle, and we're going to call this angle X. Now, when you're looking at this triangle now, we have this. There's a side that is right next to the angle, and another side that is opposite the angle. Well, guess what the opposite angle is called? It's called the opposite, and we're going to call that O. A different word for beside is adjacent, and the side next to the angle is the adjacent side, or A. The next activity we're going to do is going to be practicing identifying the sides of a triangle, of a trigonometry triangle, a right angle triangle, for the purpose of trigonometry. And the next thing we're going to do will be to use sine, cosine, or tangent to solve a missing variable for a trig triangle.